For some, Memorial Day is a chance to get a great deal on a mattress or maybe a used car. But for many veterans, this day means a great deal more. Every year, communities gather to celebrate freedom. But soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines will tell you that that freedom comes with a price tag.
I have an uncle who was killed in Okinawa, the last great battle of World War II.
It can be hard on your family when you're gone, but there are benefits, and there's groups with your at home with your families that can help take care of them.
Those troops also say it's worth the price, and they will continue to sacrifice.
It's a sense of deep pride that you serve in the Army, Air Force, Marines, Navy, Coast Guard.
I just had a job. I don't think I did that much.
You can get a lot of benefits out of being in the military. There's one bad part of it, but other than that, you're good to go.
I don't care how bad we are in different things or mistakes we make. There's no place better to live.
To everyone who has served and to those who are still serving today, thank you, and have a good Memorial Day.